Hello friends, so this is the question we are having to solve for now. So we are asked to find for m in this particular question. So solution, so we have 1 over m plus 1 over m equals 4. So that is when we add up this plus this, it has to give us 4, which implies this must be 2 and this must be 2. But that is logically, but let's see how we can solve it. So if this is what we have, so 1 over m is common between this and this, such that we're left with 1 plus 1, which is equal 4. So if this is what we have, 1 over m times 1 plus 1 is going to be 2, equal 4. So this is what we are going to be having. We're going to have now 1 times 2 is 2 over m equal 4. If this is what we have, let's decide to add 1 here because 4 divided by 1 is still 4, and cross multiply, that is 1 times 2 and m times 4. 1 times 2 is 2, which is equal to m times 4 is 4m. But let's bring 4m to the left hand side and write this in the right hand side. So this is actually the same thing, either 2 equals to 4m or 4m equals 2. So for this, we divide here by 4, divide here by 4. So dividing both sides by 4, 4 divides 4, and I'm left with m as 2 over 4. But actually we can simplify this as 2 will go into 2, 1, and 2 will go into 4, 2. So which implies the value of our m is 2. So but let's confirm if it's actually true, substituting this in our equation, if it to satisfy 1 over m plus 1 over m is equal to 4. So 1, we can write this as 1 divided by m plus 1 divided by m equal 4, right? And you know that substituting the value of our m, 1 divided by 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by 1 over 2. Is this going to be equal 4? So we're trying to check and see. We're checking to see if this will be correct. So if this is this, remember our order of operation. That's commonly known as BOD-MAS bracket order, which is square, or you can call it exponent. Then your division first, multiplication, addition before subtraction. So in this, we are supposed to treat our division first. And you know that treating this division, you can change the sign to multiplication. That is, turning it to multiplication is going to be 2 over 1. That is, we take the inverse, plus 1. Turning to multiplication, we take it by taking the inverse, which is 2. Is that going to be equal 4? And 1 times 2 is 2 plus 2, which is equal 4. And seeing this, you can see that 4 is equal 4, which implies truly our m is equal 1 over 2. So this is the correct value of our m. M is 1 over 2. So thank you for watching. Ensure you like and subscribe. Thank you.